Tired of boring laundry rooms? It's time to upgrade your space. We're here to show you how laundry room tile can be more than just functional. With endless options, your laundry room can be a stylish extension of your home. Let's dive into our top stylish laundry room tile ideas. Choosing the right flooring tile can make or break your design. Try a playful pattern or large format tile for a sleek look, or embrace natural stone for a rustic feel. Don't stop at the floor. Laundry room backsplashes and accent walls offer an amazing canvas for creative expression. These smaller spaces are the perfect opportunity to experiment with bold patterns and vibrant colors, transforming your laundry room into a stylish and functional space. Laundry rooms are your space to experiment. Try bold patterns and colors. Separate from your home's main living spaces, laundry rooms offer the perfect opportunity to take design risks. From intricate geometrics to playful checkerboard, pattern tiles add a fun touch. Want a bigger laundry room without knocking down walls? Large format tiles are the secret. Fewer grout lines mean a more spacious feel. It's a simple way to add a touch of modern elegance to your laundry space. Brickstone porcelain tiles are taking the design world by storm. They look just like real bricks, but are way easier to maintain. With a range of textures and tones, they add a timeless charm to any laundry space. Subway tile isn't just for kitchens. Its clean lines and timeless look make it perfect for laundry rooms too. It's a versatile choice that adds a touch of style to any space. Tile reigns supreme in the laundry room due to its versatility and benefits. Tile can withstand heavy foot traffic, dropped objects, and general wear and tear. It also provides excellent protection against moisture, which is vital in laundry rooms, where spills are frequent, preventing water damage and mold growth. Available in a vast assortment of colors, patterns, sizes, and textures, tile offers endless possibilities for a personalized touch in your laundry room. You deserve a laundry room that's more than just a place to do chores. With the right tile, it can become a stylish, functional space you love spending time in. Choose tile for durability, style, and easy maintenance. Transform your laundry room today.